6 new features, 19 bug fixes, 1 improvement. Starting with plugins. Claude Code now fires a StopFailure hook event when your turn ends due to an API error. Rate limits, auth failures, anything that kills the connection. There's a new plugin data variable for persistent state that survives plugin updates, and plugin agents now support effort, max turns, and disallowed tools right in their Frontmatter. Security gets a major tightening. If Sandbox dependencies are missing, Claude Code now shows a visible startup warning, instead of silently disabling the Sandbox. Protected directories like .git and .claude are no longer writable without a prompt in bypass permissions mode. And deny rules for MCP servers now properly remove block tools before they reach the model. 1 million tokens is now in your Claude Max plan. Sounds like a superpower. There are 3 real trade-offs before you go all in. Watch this next. Terminal notifications iTerm 2, Gitty, ghosty pop-ups and progress bars now reach your outer terminal when running inside tmux. Just set allow passthrough on in your tmux config. And response text now streams line by line as it's generated, so you see output the moment it's ready. Voice mode now works on WSL2 with WSLG on Windows 11. WSL1 and Windows 10 users get a clear error message. Modify a combo push to talk key bindings like Ctrl+K, activate immediately instead of requiring a hold. And Ctrl+U in normal mode does readline kill line again. Git log head no longer fails with ambiguous argument inside Sandbox bash on Linux, and stub files no longer pollute Git status. The cclog and resume commands fix a silent truncation bug on sessions larger than 5 MB with subagents. And resuming large sessions is noticeably faster with improved memory usage and startup time. VS Code fixes. The sidebar no longer flashes the login screen when already authenticated. The model dropdown stops offering 1 million contacts to unknown plan tiers, fixing that Opus rate limit error. The bash tool now finds Homebrew binaries when VS Code launches from dock or Spotlight. And that washed out Claude Orange in terminals without true color. Fixed. A new environment variable, Anthropic custom model option, lets you add a custom entry to the /model picker with optional name and description suffixed vars for display. The Anthropic betas variable no longer gets silently ignored with haiku models. Cute prompts now get a proper new line separator. And the Worktree flag correctly loads skills and hooks from the Worktree directory. Run Claude update to get v 2.1.78. 75,000 developers already built with Claude Code on GitHub. If this breakdown helped, subscribe. We cover every single release.